Good morning. My name is Karen Joana Bedoya Verde, group number 444. My name is Karen Joana Bedoya Verde. I am 26 years old. My nationality is Colombia. I live off Puerto Boyaca. I am the mother of beauty 7 years old here. I am studying business administration and I enrolled in SEAD La Dorada Campus. Ir al módulo 5 de la actividad y hacer una grabación Indoor Activities, Outdoor Activities. Indoor Activities. Listen to music, reading a book, drawing, playing video games, playing a music instrument, watching TV, cooking, surfing the internet, watching, walking. Outdoor activities, going to the park, going shopping, fishing, playing soccer, playing baseball, going to the movies, exercise, having a picnic, camping, hiking. Using Talbot expresiones futuro. Examples. I am going John, I am minute. I am leaving home, I am here. I am fitness this summer in 2 days. I am going in vacation in a month. I am graduation in a year. Examples. She is visiting us tomorrow. She is leaving the day after tomorrow. We are taking the house this year. We are coming this month. My parents are celebrating 50th anniversary next year. Feliz noche. Bye bye.